I think you are coming for the first. Now audible. Okay, Pavit. Please wait. I will come in few seconds. Sorry for interrupting.
Okay. Okay. Welcome to our channel, Ananagar UPSC students. We will start our session. The first question is Garba. The folk dance belongs to which state? Garba. Garba belonging to which state? Garba is not Punjab, Aravindan. Gujarat. Very good, Subhash Chandra Bose. It is Gujarat. Okay. Garba belongs to the state of Gujarat. Okay. Dandiya Ras. Dandiya Ras. Dandiya Ras. Maharashtra. No, no, no. Dandiya Ras. Gujarat. Very good. Very good. Gujarat. Okay. Tarangamal. Tarangamal is a folk dance of Tarangamal. 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 Folk dance of which state? Tarangamal. Tarangamal. Right. Tarangamal. Tarang. Tarang. Amel. Tarangamal. Goa. Very good. Tarangamal belongs to the folk dance of Goa. Okay. Goomer. Goomer. Goomer dance. Very easy question. Rajasthan. Very good. Which tribe practice Goomer dance? There is a specific tribe in Rajasthan. They practice Goomer dance. Bill. Very good, Tavandra. It is Bill tribe. Okay. Bill tribe practice the Goomer dance in the Rajasthan. Okay. Kalbelia. Kalbelia. Which state? Kalbelia. Very easy question. UNESCO Intangible Heritage Site also it is there. Same. Very good, Aravindan. It is again belongs to the state of Rajasthan. Charba. 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 Which state? A folk dance. Charba folk theatre. Charba. Himachal Pradesh. Very good, Aravind. Charba. Himachal Pradesh. Okay. Bhangra. 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 Bhangra, Punjab. Very good, Aravind. Bhangra. The folk dance of Punjab. Ras Leela. Ras Leela. Belonging to the folk dance. Belonging to the state of. Very easy question. Ras Leela. No. Welcome, Shivanidhi. You are late today. Ras Leela. Oh, no. No, Ramya. Ras Leela. UP. Very good, Tavaindo. Ras Leela belonging to the region of Uttar Pradesh. There is two things. Ras Leela, Ram Leela. Okay. Don't confuse them. Ras Leela. Braj Ras Leela is a folk dance of Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Dadra. 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 Dadra is a UP. Very good. Dadra also UP. Ras Leela also UP. Okay. Javara. Javara. Jawara. Javara folk dance of Javara. No. No, Arvind. Javara. Madhya Pradesh. Very good, Tavaindo. Javara folk dance, Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Matki. Matki. M-A-T. You tell the region itself. No need of state. Matki. M-A-T-K-A. Matki. Matki. It is generally practiced in the Malwa region. Okay. Malwa region. Matki in the Malwa region. There is no specific state for Matki. It is present in the Malwa region. Okay. Performed by women. Okay. Gaur Maria. Gaur. Gaur Maria. Maria. Gaur Maria folk dance of which state? Gaur Maria. Chhattisgarh. Very good, Subhash Chandra Bose. It is a difficult question, but he can able to answer. Gaur Maria, Chhattisgarh. Okay. Then Paika. Paika. It is somewhat martial arts. So very good, very good. No, Paika rebellion is in Odisha, but is Paika martial art or the folk dance? It is It is not a Odisha. Okay. Folk dance. Paika. But Paika rebellion is Odisha. No, no, no. Any other answers? Any other clue? Okay. It is belongs to the state of South Bihar. Okay. Paika, a folk dance of the Bihar state. Okay. Jat Jatin. J-A-T Jat Jatin. J-A-T-A-N. Jat Jatin. Folk dance popular in the very good. Is again Bihar. Okay. Jat Jatin also Bihar. Paika also Bihar. Okay. Another one is Danda Jatra. D-A-N-D-A. Danda Jatra. Belongs to the state of folk dance. Danda Jatra. Odisha. Very good, Subhash Chandra. Danda Jatra, Odisha. Bihu. Very easy question. Bihu. Bihu folk dance. Bihu. Assam. Very good, Subhash Chandra Bose. Tangata. 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 Manipur. Very good. Tawaindo. Tangata, Manipur. Okay. Singi Cham. Singi Cham. Singi Cham. A popular mask dance of which state? Singi Cham. I already asked in previous session. Singi Cham. Sikkim. Very good, Aravind. Singi Cham, the popular mask dance of Sikkim. Okay. Burrakatta. Burrakatta. B-U-R-R-A. Burrakatta. K-A-T-H-A. Burrakatta. Burrakatta, which state? Andhra Pradesh. Very good, Aravind. Burrakatta, Andhra Pradesh. Kaikoti Kali. Kaikoti Kali, a popular folk dance of Kaikoti Kali. Kaikoti Kali. Kaikoti Kali. Kerala. Very good, Aravind. Kaikoti Kali, Kerala. Okay. Padayani. P-A-D-A-Y-A-N-I. Padayani. State of martial dance. It is martial dance. Padayani. The state of very easy only. Kerala. Very good, Aravindan. Padayani, Kerala. Okay. Bhuta Aradhana. Bhuta Aradhana. Bhuta Aradhana. Bhuta Aradhana. Karnataka. Very good, Gokul. Bhuta Aradhana, Karnataka. Okay. Okay. This we have finished the folk dance. Okay. Next question is classical status is declared by classical status, no? This language classical status. Navin, you are too late. Classical status, no, to languages, no, declared by classical status declared by who will declare Tamil is a classical language like that? No answers, no guesswork. Okay, which ministry will declare Tamil is a classical language like that? Very good, Gokul. It is Ministry of Culture. Okay, Ministry of Culture will declare the classical language status. Okay. First woman nominated member of Rajya Sabha. First woman nominated member of Rajya Sabha. Please listen and answer properly. First woman nominated member of Rajya Sabha. It's a famous personality only. Very good, Pravina. It is Srimati Rukmani Devi Arundale. Okay. Srimati Rukmani Devi Arundale, the first woman nominated member of Rajya Sabha. Okay. Who is the administrative head of the parliamentary secretariat? Who is the administrative head of the parliamentary secretariat? Speaker. Very good, Ashwin. Speaker of Lok Sabha is the administrative head of the parliamentary secretariat. Okay. Okay. Another easy question. Super cabinet, which is referred to as super cabinet. Dash political affairs committee. Very good, Tava. And the political affairs committee is also called a super cabinet. Okay. You have to identify the region. Which region I am trying to tell with respect to modern India. This region had signed a treaty of eternal friendship with the British, but it was annexed under Lord Ellenborough by Charles Napier in 1843. Very good, Ramya. It's a very difficult question, but she can able to answer. It is Sindh. Okay. Sindh had signed a treaty of eternal friendship with the British, but it was annexed under Lord Ellenborough by Charles Napier in 1843. Okay, I will tell you some names. You have to tell how they are associated. Buddha Bhagat and Bindrai Manki. These people are associated with Buddha Bhagat and Bindrai Manki. Buddha Bhagat and Bindrai Manki. Any idea? These persons, very good, Ramya. It is Kul uprising. Okay, Kul uprising was led by Buddha Bhagat and Bindrai Manki. Kul uprising was led by Buddha Bhagat and Bindrai Manki. Okay, when the slavery was abolished in India, slavery abolition year, slavery abolition 1833 Act. The provision was there. Okay, but actually when it was abolished. No. Sadi only abolished in 1820. Very good, Tabandu. Slavery abolished in 1843. Okay. Slavery abolished in 1843. But the provision of abolition of slavery is present in 1833 Charter Act. Okay. Okay. Elphinstone described this one as a wholesale vengeance and looting that suppressed Nadir Shah. Elphinstone mentioned about which event as the wholesale vengeance and looting that suppressed Nadir Shah. Elphinstone is mentioning certain event, and he said like this: wholesale vengeance and looting that suppressed Nadir Shah. Like that, Elphinstone told regarding what he mentioning about this event as like that. You can easily guess. Very good, Aravindan. It is 1857 revolt. Okay, Elphinstone described the aftermath of 1857 revolt as a wholesale vengeance and looting that suppressed Nadir Shah. Okay. Rice-leaf papers is related to what? Rice-leaf papers during Karsan period, no? Rice-leaf papers. Some broad theme, if you tell, it is enough. Okay. Bengal. Okay, 1905. Related to what? Rice-leaf papers. Very good, very good. It is a British report on territorial redistribution of India. Okay, Rice-leaf papers during the Lord Curzon deals with the British report on territorial redistribution of India. That is partition. Okay, the partition. Okay. Calcutta Anushilan Samiti, founded by or the prominent person associated with the Calcutta Anushilan Samiti. Founded by who founded Calcutta Anushilan Samiti? A famous personalities only. Very good. It is not. Okay. Calcutta Anushilan Samiti founded by Jatindranath Banerjee and Barindra Kumar Ghosh. Okay. Jatindranath Banerjee and Barindra Kumar Ghosh. Calcutta Anushilan Samiti founded by Jatindranath Banerjee and Barindra Kumar Ghosh. Okay. Dhaka Anushilan Samiti, very easy question. Dhaka Anushilan Samiti, very easy question. Founded by Dhaka Anushilan Samiti. Very good, Nikhil. It is Pulin Bihari Das. Pulin Bihari Das founded the Dhaka Anushilan Samiti. Okay. Okay. I will tell you the date. You have to tell the significance. It is very easy question only. March 9, 1907. March 9, 1907. What is the speciality? March 9, 1907. What is the specialty? What was the specialty? Split. No. Surat split here. No. That is not the answer. March 9. Very good, Pravina. It is Swarajya Day. Okay, Swarajya Day. March 9, 1907. The Bipil Chandrapal was released. The release days celebrated as Swarajya Day. Okay, Bipin Chandrapal release date. Those date was celebrated as Swarajya Day. March 9, 1907. Swarajya Day, Bipin Chandrapal release date. Okay. Chapekar brothers assassinated British official dash and dash for their inhuman work during Pune plague. Chapekar brothers assassinated British officials dash and dash for their inhumane work during Pune plague. Rand, W.C. Rand is correct. One is correct. Another one is Rand is another one is Irest. Very good, Gokul. Okay, it's a very difficult question. Chapekar brothers assassinated the British official W.C. Rand and his military escort Lieutenant Irest for their inhuman work during Pune plague. W.C. Rand and his military escort Lieutenant Irest. Okay. the first public service commission established in 1926, but the provision is present in 1919 Government of India Act based on the recommend of Dash Commission. First public service commission established in 1926 based on the recommendation of Dash Commission. Very good, Ashwin. It is Lee Commission. Okay. First public service commission in 1926 established based on the recommendation of Lee Commission. Okay. Okay, you have to tell true or false. High courts don't have the advisory jurisdiction. High courts have no advisory jurisdiction. True or false? True. Very good, Subhash Chandra Bose. High courts have no advisory jurisdiction. Okay, it is true only, Ashwin. High courts have no advisory jurisdiction. Okay, only Supreme Court is having the advisory jurisdiction. Okay, I will tell you some hanging points. You have to tell what it is. Research wing, consultancy wing, team India wing. What I am speaking about. Research wing, consultancy wing, team India wing. Where you can see these three wings. Very good, Aravindan. It is Niti Aayog. It's are the departments of Niti Aayog. Research wing, consultancy wing, team India wing. Okay. CID department, no, Criminal Intelligence Department was formed in the year. No, in those days. Yeah. Year I am asking. You are correct. No, no, Ashwin. You are somewhat where in you are, everybody is coming nearer. Savandi, you are so near. Okay, the answer is 1903. Okay, Criminal Intelligence CID department established in 1903, 1903. Okay, Defense of India Act 1915 formed the basis of Dash Act. I already asked in previous session. Defense of India Act 1915 formed the base. Very good, Ashwin. It is the formed the basis for the Rowlatt Act. Okay, Defense of India Act 1915 formed the basis for the Rowlatt Act. Okay. Okay. Jallianwala Bagh massacre, no? That date, month, year. Very easy question. Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Date, month, year. Very easy question. April 9 it is, Ramya. Okay, April 9 only. Any other answer? It is right, April 9. Very good, Pravina. It is 13th April 1919. Okay, 13th April 1919. Jallianwala Bagh massacre happened on 13th April 1919. Okay, 13th April 1919. Okay, Indian Liberal Federation was launched by. Indian Liberal Federation launched by. Indian Liberal Federation launched by. Very easy question. Indian Liberal Federation. TB. Very good, Aravindan. This is Surendranath Banerjee. Indian Liberal Federation was launched by Surendranath Banerjee. Okay, Indian Liberal Federation launched by Surendranath Banerjee. Okay. Ending or mending the council was the goal of the Dash party. Ending or mending the council was the goal of the Dash party. This party goal is ending or mending the council. Very easy question. Ending. Very good. Swarajya party. Okay. Ending or mending the council was the goal of the Swarajya party. Okay. Nalini Gupta associated with Dash conspiracy case. Nalini Gupta associated with Dash conspiracy case. No answers. Alipur, no. Arvind Ghosh only associated with Alipur. Nalini Gupta. I is the clue. I. It is the clue. Nalini Gupta. No, okay. I will tell you the answer. It is Kanpur conspiracy case. Okay. Kanpur conspiracy case. Nalini Gupta, Kanpur conspiracy case. Okay. Dash and Dash appeared to defend the accused in the Meerut conspiracy case. This person defended the accused in the Meerut conspiracy case. Dash and Dash. Very difficult question. If you can able to answer, it is very good. See, that is different, Ashwin. That is C.R. Das and Nehru. That is different. This is different. It is Meerut conspiracy. You are saying about a brain mutiny, I think. Dash and Dash appeared to defend the accused in the Meerut conspiracy case. Very good, Pravina. K.F. Nariman, another person. K.F. Nariman, another person. MC Chagla, very good, Pravina. MC Chagla and KF Nariman appeared to defend the accused in the Meerut conspiracy case. MC Chagla and KF Nariman appeared to defend the accused in the Meerut conspiracy case. Okay. Who said this? Like that, you have to tell. Freedom is the imperishable birthright at all. Freedom is the imperishable birthright at all. Freedom is the imperishable birthright at all. Who said this? Famous person. Freedom is the imperishable birthright at all. Modern India. No, no guesswork. No. Very good, Pravina. It is Bhagat Singh. Okay, Bhagat Singh said that freedom is the imperishable birthright at all. Bhagat Singh said by Bhagat Singh. Okay, I already asked that question in yesterday's session. Chittagong Armory Raiders Reminiscence. Chittagong Armory Raid Reminiscence, a book written by. Yesterday I asked Kalpana Dutt. Very good. Kalpana Dutt autobiography, Chittagong Armory Raiders Reminiscence. Okay. Okay. In which session that Simon boycott resolution was passed? Which session name, and president? Boycott of Simon Commission resolution passed in which session and the president of that INC? M.E. Ansari in which session, Subhash Chandra Bose? Madras session, very good. Madras session of INC under M.E. Ansari. Okay, Ansari, boycott of Simon Commission resolution was passed. Okay. Toward Freedom is an autobiography of Toward Freedom. Autobiography of a very famous person, but most people are not aware of that. Toward Freedom is an autobiography of which person? Nehru. Very good, Sabari Krishnan. Very good answer. Toward Freedom, autobiography of Nehru. Okay. Toward Freedom, autobiography of Nehru. Okay. Another one, very easy question. Shah Nawaz Khan, Prem Sehgal, Gurubaksh Singh Dhilan. Who are those people? Shah Nawaz Khan, Prem Sehgal, Gurubaksh Singh Dhilan. Very good. They are Red Fort INA trials. Okay, Rin Mutiny. Okay, Red Fort trials, INA trials. Okay, it is not this one, INA trials. Okay, Red Fort trials, also called as INA trials. It is not a Rin, that is different. It is INA. Okay, Red Fort trials. Shah Nawaz Khan, Prem Sehgal, and Gulbaksh Singh Dhilan. Okay, actually, what they did in those in that event, these three people, actually, why they are accused? Red Fort trials. No answers. Assassination of superiors. Okay. Assassination of superiors. Shah Nawaz Khan, Prem Sehgal, and Gurubaksh Singh Dhilan. Okay. Okay. You have to tell the name of the magazine. Okay. It's a Maratha magazine. Focus on worker issues by N.M. Lokandi. It's a magazine. Maratha magazine. Focus on worker issues by N.M. Lokandi. Very good, Gokul. It's a very difficult question. He can able to answer. It is Deen Bandhu. Okay, Deen Bandhu. It's a Maratha magazine. Focus on worker issue by N.M. Lokandi. Okay. Longest rift valley in the world. Longest rift valley in the world. Longest rift valley. Yo, there is a name, no? You are right. There is some name, no? You are right only, Subhash Chandra Bose. That name. Okay. Some terms will be there, no? Marinaries. The Great Rift Valley of Africa. Okay. Great Rift Valley of Africa. Great Rift Valley of Africa. Okay. World's highest active volcano. World's highest active volcano. World highest active volcano. Mauna Kea, is it right? Okay. Cotopaxi, very good, Arvind. It is Cotopaxi in Ecuador. Cotopaxi in Ecuador is the world's highest active volcano. World's highest active volcano is Cotopaxi in Ecuador. Okay, Mount Cotopaxi in Ecuador. Okay. Okay. I will tell the river. You have to tell the type of delta. There is a different types of delta, no, based on the shape. Okay. Ganges River of India. What type of delta? That based on shape they will be dividing that delta, no? That Ganges River of India. What type of delta it will form? Do you understand my question? Every river forms. Very good, Subhash Chandra Bose. It is Arcuate Delta, ARCUAT, Arcuate Delta formed by the Ganges River of India. Ganges River of India forms the Arcuate Delta. Like that, Tiber River of Italy, TIBER, Tiber River of Italy forms dash type of delta. Like Mississippi River forms bird food delta. Okay, like that, you have to tell the Tiber River of Italy formed the dash type of delta. Very good, Subhash Chandra Bose. It is Cuspate Delta. Okay, Tiber River of Italy forms the Cuspate Delta. Ganges River of India forms the Arcuate Delta. Okay, like that, there is another river, Love Leone River of Ireland. LOUGH, Love Leone, Leaenne River, River of Ireland. Love Leone River of Ireland forms what type of delta? LOUGH, Love Leone. Leanne, Leanne River of Ireland. Leanne River of Ireland. It's difficult to pronounce. Okay, I will tell you the answer. It is difficult question. It is Lacustrine Delta. Okay, Lacustrine Delta. Mississippi River forms the bird food delta. Love Leanne River of Ireland forms the Lacustrine Delta. Okay, bird food delta is Mississippi. Okay, Accurate Delta, Ganges River of India. Cuspate Delta, Tiber River of Italy. Okay, okay. Another very basic terminology. Area between continental slope and sea floor is known as dash. Area between continental slope and sea floor is called dash. A very basic question. Basic terminology, if you tell it is enough. The area between continental slope and the sea floor is known as? No, shelf will be before itself. Before forming slope, shelf will be there. It is not very good, Subhash Chandra Bose. It is continental rise. Okay, area between the continental slope and the sea floor is known as continental rise. Okay, okay. Dash is the only planet in our solar system which can float on water. Dash is the only planet in our solar system which can float on water. A very easy question. Is it Uranus? Maybe two or planet. Only planet is Saturn. Very good. So Saturn is the only planet in our solar system which can float on water. Okay, which can float on water. Okay. Uranus appears dash due to the presence of dash. Uranus appears dash. What color? Due to the presence of dash. Green. Due to the presence of. Very good, Arvindan. Uranus appears green due to the presence of. Uranus appears green. Very good, Narvindan. Very good. Methane. Uranus appears green due to the presence of methane. Uranus appears green due to the presence of methane. Okay. First finance minister of independent India. First finance minister of independent India. Very easy question. First finance minister of independent India. Very related to our state. First finance minister of independent India. He belongs to our state. Very good, Subhash Chandra Bose. R.K. Shanmugam Shetty. Okay, R.K. Shanmugam Shetty, first finance minister of independent India. First finance minister of independent India, R.K. Shanmugam Shetty. Okay, Sarvodaya plan given by. Sarvodaya plan given by. Sarvodaya plan given by. A very famous question. No need to think. Very good. Jayaprakash Narayan. Sarvodaya plan given by Jayaprakash Narayan. Sarvodaya plan given by Jayaprakash Narayan. Jayaprakash Narayan. Okay. Dash 5-year plan was affected by Indo-China war. Dash 5-year plan is affected by Indo-China war. Third 5-year plan. Very good, Ramya. Third 5-year plan was affected by the Indo-China war. Dash is the best indicator of price changes of goods and services. Dash is the best indicator of price changes of goods and services in economics. Dash is the best indicator of price changes of goods and services. Somewhat there is a term. Okay, CP. Okay, very good, Tavan. This is GDP deflator. Okay, GDP deflator is the best indicator of price changes of goods and services. GDP deflator is the best indicator of price changes of goods and services. Okay, very good, Tawand. Okay, you have to tell what is Article 43 related to. Article 43 related to what? Article 42 maternity relief. Like that, Article 43 related to what? That is 43. Some this one simply 43. Living wages. Okay, different answers are coming. Okay, any other answers? Article 43. Simply 43. No A, B, C, and all. Simply 43. What it is? Deals with cooperatives. No. Okay, you please cross verify. Everybody is saying the. I have written that a promotion of cottage industries. Okay, I have written as promotion of cottage industries. Please cross verify Article 43. Okay. Okay. CVC, when it was formed, Central Vigilance Commission. CVC, Central Vigilance Commission, when it was formed. Very easy question. 1957. No, Arvind. Very good, Pravina. It is 1964. 1964, Central Vigilance Commission was formed. Okay. When it got the statutory status, initially formed, it was based on executive resolution in 1964. But when it got the statutory status, 2000, yeah, somewhat near, Aravindan. Very good, Pravina. It is 2003. In 1964, due to executive resolution, CVC was formed. In 2003, it got the statutory status. Okay. CVC is formed based on dash committee. Very easy question. Baby question. Central Vigilance Commission formed on dash based on whose committee recommendation? Sandanam. Very good. Sandanam Committee, Central Vigilance Commission was formed. Okay. Okay. You have to tell it is true or false. Okay. Fundamental duties. Okay, fundamental duties help the court in determining and examining the constitutional validity of a law. Fundamental duties help the court in determining and examining the constitutional validity of law. It is true. Very good consideration. It is true. Fundamental duties helps the court in determining and examining the constitutional validity of law. It is true statement. Okay, fundamental duties. Okay. Suppose a person, a foreigner, want to get naturalized citizenship. There is a threshold value. This much duration he or she has to be live in India for dash duration. Threshold value. 7 years? No. Yeah. Very good, Gokul. Not less than 11 years. Okay. Naturalization not less than 11 years. Okay. Then only the naturalized citizenship will be given. Not less than 11 years. Okay. Okay. You have to tell whether it is true or false. Fundamental rights and directive principles of state policy can be amended by special majority of parliament without the consent of the states. Fundamental rights and the DPSP can be amended by special majority of parliament without the consent of the states. Very good, Shivanandi. It is true. Okay, it is true. Fundamental rights and the DPSP can be amended by a special majority without the consent of the states. Okay. Okay, you have to tell true or false. The members of state legislative assembly do not take part in the election of vice president of India. The members of the state legislative assembly do not take part in the election of vice president of India. True. Very good, Ramya. The members of state legislative assembly do not take part in the election of vice president of India. Okay. Okay. Committee and public sector undertakings was created based on dash committee. I already asked it several times. We are in the last period of today's session. Only 4 more minutes are remaining. Committee and public sector undertakings was based on dash committee recommendations. It was formed. Already you people told the answer in previous sessions also. I think Subhash Chandra Bose has said in last session also. Committee and public sector undertakings was created based on the. Okay, I will tell you the answer. It is Krishna Menon Committee. Okay, Committee in Public Sector Undertakings was formed based on Krishna Menon Committee. Okay, Krishna Menon Committee. Okay, okay. And in the district planning committee, no, how much members are elected is the value in the whole district planning committee. This much member or this much proportion will be elected. Some values. 4/5. Very good, Kadiration. 4/5 members of the 4/5 of the members will be elected in the district planning committee. Okay, 4/5. Okay, 4/5. Okay. Lok Adalat was formed based on the which act? Very easy question. Lok Adalat was formed on basis of which act? Very easy question. Nalsa Act 1987. Okay, Nalsa Act 1987. Lok Adalat was formed. Very good, Ramya. Okay. Suppose joint sitting is going to happen. Okay, both Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha members will be. What is the minimum that quorum for the joint sitting? Minimum this much members should be there for joint sitting. Quorum. 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 Very good, Arvind. It's 1/10 of the both the houses. 1/10 of the both the houses. Okay, 1/10 of the both the houses. The quorum for the joint sitting. Okay. Okay. If the speaker and the deputy speaker are absent from a joint sitting, then who will preside over the joint sitting? The speaker and the deputy speaker are absent for a joint sitting. No, Subhash. Speaker and the deputy speaker are absent for a joint sitting. No, consideration. No, Arvindan. Very good, Ravina. It's a deputy chairman of Ravi Uchaba. Ravina, you have not submitted vulnerability mapping. Kindly submitted vulnerability mapping. It's very essential to clear UPSC prelims. Okay, don't postpone. Okay, kindly submit the vulnerability mapping as soon as possible. Okay, that if the speaker and the deputy speaker are absent from a joint setting, the deputy chairman of Rajya Sabha will preside. Okay, if the speaker and the deputy speaker are absent for a joint sitting, deputy chairman of Rajya Sabha will preside. Okay, that now volcano, no, volcano will come like that. There is a different structures inside that volcanic region, no, in the earth. You have to tell that. I will tell you the shape. You have to tell what is the structure. Okay, in volcano, regarding volcanic. Okay, dome shaped. This is the last question of today's session. Dome shaped. This dome shaped structure, volcanic structure, no, inside the earth. We will draw diagrams like that, no. Crater is a large structure. I am saying dome shaped inside. Very good, Ramya. It's laccolith. Okay, laccolith is the dome shaped. Laccolith, dome shaped structure. Okay, with this we are winding up the session. We will meet tomorrow. Okay, thank you everyone. We will meet tomorrow. The session is over. I am going to signing off. Thanks to everyone. Thanks Ivanidhi. Thanks everyone. Thank you Ashwin. Thank you Kadiration. Thanks.